Hello everyone and welcome back to the World War II Solitaire board game channel and our very last V-Sabotage unboxing. So this time we're gonna unbox V-Sabotage, the expansions miniature pack. Let's get the plastic off. If you're not already subscribed, would be really cool if you wanted to subscribe. Commenting and liking the video also helps out a lot. If you want to help me out even more, you can become a member of the channel for only $2.99 a month. You can become a channel supporter, or you can do a one-time donation through PayPal or YouTube Super Thanks. Let's go ahead and look at the art here on the sides. All of the V-Sabotage has on each side one unique art. Pretty cool. Let's go ahead and take a look at the back of the box. And I'm gonna give you a chance here if you want to take a photo or if you want to pause the video, and read. Here we have the US side and we have the French side. Let's go ahead and take a look at what we got inside. We got more of these bags, our English rules, which we will look at in greater detail in a moment. Then we have our French rules, which we're gonna simply discard. Two-sided counter. More plastic stands. And this is gonna be our English cards, and then we have French cards, which we will discard. More terrain tiles, a bunch of more terrain tiles, and there we have what we're really looking for. This is our new miniatures, and there is one box, so let's go ahead and take a look at all of them. Here to the left we have a German officer with a pistol, perhaps a Luger. See if it's kind of hard to get the camera to focus. Very good. And we have a dog. Ooh, it looks rather scary, doesn't it? Doesn't look like a dog that you would like to pet. He's kind of hunched forward, like, getting the scent of something. And then we have, let's take a look at these Germans. We have a storming German, looks like he has a Fallschirmjägergewehr, FG-42 I believe it's called. It's kind of running towards something. And then we have some Germans with a gas mask with an MP40. And some more gas mask Germans, this time with a rifle and a dog hair. Get out of there. Love the detail. And look at these Goliaths. Wow, that is awesome. Little Goliaths. Again, if you haven't seen my previous video posted a few weeks ago on the Arsenal Tank Museum in Sweden, I look at an actual Goliath. It is partly remade, partly replica, made with original parts and copy parts, but it's still a very nice piece. Some barrels, and then we have a bunch of characters. So let's take a look at all of the individual characters. Very nice detail, isn't it? This guy just looks so horrible with the bandages in his face. Looks almost like a zombie. Pretty cool. And then we have the dog. No idea if you can actually play this dog in the solo mode, like in the lone wolf mode. I'm not sure if that's more supporting character. Dual wielding some knives here. And here we have our mortar gunner. Kind of strange commando, isn't that? The commando who's just armed with a mortar. We have some new terrain tiles, which are double-sided. Restaurant and some V1 rockets. It's like to be some kind of factory. And more of those nasty rockets. Plane. Counters. And then we have these stands. I'm not sure what they are for. Not sure how I'm gonna fit them in the box either, but I guess that's a problem for when this video has finished recording. Let's take a look at our new cards. So we have a bunch of new character cards, which are two-sided. We have the SOE agent, Saboteur, we have the spy, we have the mortar gunner, also has a Colt pistol, and a butcher, and an intel officer, the Death Cheater, Soviet character, and a Gander. Gander may be chosen by Commando, who will be his master. He cannot be played as a standalone Commando. That's pretty cool. I hope I can bring Gander on one of those lone wolf missions. That would be cool. And then finally we have our rulebook, which is just content of the box and new elements, and that's it. The 2 pages. I wouldn't really call it a rulebook. And finally we have our 2 zip bags. And that, my friends, is the end of the unboxings of V-Sabotage. That is the very last game to unbox. I hope I can learn how to play this soon, and I hope I can share the game with you. I love to share my games with you guys. Well, there's not going to be the end of unboxings because I still have more games to unbox. You know, we're on a few months break from the channel for medical reasons, and the Kickstarter is just because I had this thing. I always backed every Kickstarter with the World War II theme and solitaire mode, so the Kickstarter is just, you know, kept dropping in, and then piled up, and I didn't want to unbox them because I want to do that on camera so I can share it with you guys, but we're getting to the end of it. There's just a few more unboxings, so guys, stay tuned. Next unboxings are going to be Sniper Elite, the board game, where I also have the miniature deluxe upgrade and the expansion packs. Okay guys, we'll see you next time.